This automated n8n AI agent handles 100% of customer support emails without hallucinating. Here's how to build it step by step. First, we add a Gmail trigger node to monitor incoming emails live. Go ahead and create a credentials for your Gmail account. Then we set the polling timer to check our inboxes every single minute. The event type is a message received. So whenever a new email is received, it automatically captures the event. Slow support responses cost businesses thousands in lost sales every single month. I'm sending a test email asking for our store's return policy. Let's go ahead and fetch this email data into n8n. Here we can see all the data that's fetched from the new email event. And if we check we have the email snippet right here. We use the edit node to isolate the essential email data. We don't want the whole email data to pass into the next node. We only need the email snippet, and we map the sender email and message body into clean variables. We can rename it to whatever we want. I'm just renaming it into my convenience so it's easy to understand. And now we do the same for the sender email address. I'm going to rename it as well. Cleaning raw payloads prevents your AI agent from reading unnecessary code checks. Now we add an AI text classifier to filter incoming email, because we need to identify which email needs the customer service support and which are like promotional and marketing emails, etc. So we add the text classifier node. I'm going to rename this into classify email just for my convenience. We define two clear categories: promotional and support service. The promotional emails cover sales, discounts, and newsletters, etc. The support service includes customer inquiries, order issues, and policy questions. We are going to take the email body and use it to cross verify if it's promotional or a support service. We add a system default system prompt so the AI knows what to do with the email body. Now we need to connect an LLM as a brain for our classifier. Without this, the classifier won't be able to do anything on its own. Now let's execute the step. The model will analyze the text and categorize it as whether it's promotional or a support service. Promotional emails stops right here so we don't waste API credits. Now we hook up our main AI agent to handle the customer inquiries. So we add an AI agent node to handle the customer inquiries. Here when a promotional email comes, we don't want anything to happen, we just want it to stop right there. So we add an LLM to the AI agent node. I am using OpenRouter here. We pass the customer's exact email question directly into the agent prompt. We also add the sender email address into the agent prompt. Now we add a system message. We instruct the AI agent that its job is answering e-commerce support inquiries. We use a specific structure to prompt our AI agent. If you want the prompt, I will leave a link below. And the crucial rule is the AI must use vector store before drafting replies. We will connect our vector store in this node so the AI will have full knowledge base of our company. We add extra rules to ensure emails and with a human sign off. Now we add a Supabase vector database as a dedicated retrieval tool. Connect your Supabase credentials, and if you want, I have made a full video on how to set up a custom RAG agent for your business. For support requests, our AI needs accurate, up-to-date business knowledge. Standard AI models hallucinate fake policies when they don't know the answer. Our RAG solves this by matching questions against real vectorized documents in Supabase Vector Store. Now, if you haven't connected, go ahead and create a credential. Go to your Supabase account. Now go to settings, and you can find your API key there. Copy your Supabase API keys and secret, and also take your Supabase URL and connect your credentials with n8n. Now in the description we write work with data from the Supabase vector store. Answer any questions. Now Google Gemini embeddings convert incoming questions into numerical vectors for searching. Now we add the Gmail node as a tool for AI to automatically draft replies for the incoming customer queries. Now for the subject, we are going to let the AI automatically generate personal email subject. Also, we let the AI agent to generate the message body automatically as well. Now we add the option to choose the sender email address, and we also let the AI to automatically choose the sender email address. Now it's time for live testing. I am going to ask about their return policies. I want to know about your return policies. And hit send, and here we can see our Gmail trigger node activated. The classifier node is checking whether it's promotional or for service. Now we can see the draft is created successfully. Here we can look and we can review the draft. Now for some extra source, business owners don't want to manually check every 1,000 emails they get on their e-commerce website. So what we do is we can directly send the messages, and we can test this out once again. Gmail trigger node activated, our automation completes successfully, and we can check here we have the complete answer for our queries directly sent to our email. This is the final n8n workflow.